If you want a safer browsing experience in Google Chrome, one of the best things you can do is turn on Chrome's security features. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable enhanced safe browsing and run a safety check so Chrome can help protect you from dangerous websites, security issues, and risky settings. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access all of the browser settings. From here, click on Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left-hand side and find Privacy and Security. Click that option to open Chrome's Privacy and Protection settings. This section is where you can manage tools that help keep your browsing activity safer. Now click on Security. Here you'll see Chrome's safe browsing options. By default, Chrome uses standard protection. But if you want stronger security, you can upgrade to Enhanced Protection. Select Enhanced Protection to enable enhanced safe browsing. This option helps Chrome proactively block dangerous websites before they even load. It can also warn you about suspicious downloads, phishing attempts, and other threats that may try to trick you online. If you browse frequently, shop online, or sign into important accounts, this is a very useful layer of protection. After enabling Enhanced Protection, take a moment to make sure the setting is safe and active. Chrome may update this right away, and once it is turned on, you've already improved your browser security. Next, we're going to run a safety check. This is another really helpful Chrome feature because it automatically looks for security issues and recommends fixes. To do that, go back to the Privacy and Security section in Settings if you're not already there. Then click on Go to Safety Check. Chrome will begin checking your browser automatically. It looks for things like compromised passwords, missing updates, harmful extensions, and other vulnerabilities that could put your browsing at risk. This is a quick and easy way to identify and fix common security problems without having to search for them manually. When the scan finishes, Chrome will show you the results and let you know whether anything needs attention. If it finds a problem, follow the recommended steps to fix it right away. If everything looks good, that means your browser is in much better shape and your security settings are up to date. These two steps, turning on Enhanced Protection and running a safety check, are simple but powerful ways to make Chrome safer to use every day. They only take a minute, but they can make a big difference in protecting your data and helping you avoid unsafe websites. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more short, clear tech guides just like this. And if you want to see more Chrome tips and browser security videos, check out the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.